Welcome back. Today we are diving into two essential skills for business analysts, working with the stakeholders and gathering requirements. So if you're ready to sharpen your knowledge, let's get started. First up, stakeholder management. Stakeholders are everyone invested in your project, clients, team members, and leadership. Your job is to engage with the people at the right time and ensure everyone's on the same page. Communication is the key. Always clarify expectations, listen actively, and adapt your style based on who you're talking to. Building trust goes in a long way and helps you to keep your projects on track. Now let's talk about gathering requirements. This is where you actually figure out what the business really needs. You should use techniques like interviews for asking questions, surveys for getting feedback, and also workshops for brainstorming ideas. Once you have the details, you'll need to document them. Tools like user stories and business requirements documents will help you to capture everything clearly so that you don't miss anything. Remember, well-documented requirements are the foundation of a successful business project. Mastering these two skills was just the beginning. In the next video, we'll explore two more skills: process mapping and analytical thinking. So, turn on the notification and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out.